homie ain't my motherfucking boy. When your fake moves on a nigga you employ, who'll emerge off the set, Def Jam, and rough up the motherfucking house. Cause I saw these cold chillin' motherfuckers, I still want a brother. I'm ruthless, my clan don't have to act wild. That shit is jive, and no sleeping bag profile. The soft comedian rap shit ain't the rough witty. On the real of real, it wasn't from a tough city. Niggas be gang, thinking that they lyrical surgeons. They know they mics are phone the virgin. And if you ain't on the mic, you couldn't hurt a beat. That's like going to Venus, driving the Mercury. The capital of this rugged slang is Wu-Tang. Witty, unpredictable talent, natural game. I'm death rowing MC with Mike Cables. The epic is that I rush associated labels. From east, west to Acco, I bring it to a next plateau, but I keep it fat though. Yo, I'm hitting batters up with the wild pitch style. I even showing uptown MCA style. Who thought he saw me on 4th and Broadway when I was out on the island bombing MCs all day? My priority is that I'm first priority. I bone a secret out of bitch in a sorority. So look out for A&M, the Abbott and the Master, breaking down your pendulum as I finger MCs out with a blow that'll numb to you. Pendex, I'm holding more weight than Columbia. Index in the scope, we are CA clan that's coming with a plan. The free a slave of a mental death MC. Don't panic, throw that A&R nigga off the boat in the Atlantic. Know who's the bad boy character? Not from Arista, but firing weapons released on Geffen. So duck as I struck with the soul of Motown, while central broadcasting systems are slowed down and dirty like that bastard. It's getting drastic. Read the label and say it loud. Another Wu-Tanger. 36 chambers through your area. Read the label and say it loud. Another Wu-Tanger.